ಯಾಕೋ ನಾಲ್ಕೈದು ದಿನದಿಂದ ಭಾಳ ಕೆಮ್ತ ಇದೆ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು. ನಿಜ ಕಣೋ, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾ.
ಬಿಡು ಮಗ, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮನೇಲಿ ಕಷಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಡಿ.
Hey everyone. So tuberculosis is a bacterial infection which affects the lungs, and tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So India accounts for about 25% of global TB burden. So TB is a serious global health concern, but it is preventable and treatable with early detection and appropriate medical care.
Some common symptoms of tuberculosis include persistent cough that lasts more than 3 weeks, chest pain, coughing of blood or sputum, night sweats, fever and chills, swollen lymph nodes, shortness of breath. It's important to note that TB can affect other parts of the body beside the lungs.
What is your name?
Yogesh.
Yes, Yogesh. What can I help you with?
Actually, sir, I am having a severe chest pain, cough with blood, and slightly low fever.
Since how many days you are having cough?
Yes, sir, for past few weeks.
Yogesh, are you feeling any difficulties in breathing?
Yes, sir.
Yogesh, get these tests done in the laboratory and come with the reports.
Yes, sir.
Steps for sputum examination. Label the sputum cups. First step. The second step is get the patient's mouth cleared. The third step is patient to breathe in 2 to 3 times. Patient to cough and expectorate sputum in cuffs. Then 2 samples need to be collected, that is spot sample and morning sample. Next, hand over the tightly collected sputum cup with sample to healthcare facility. Here, the do's and don'ts for this sputum collection is: do not eat, drink or smoke before coughing of sputum. Rinse the mouth with water before sputum is collected to minimize residual food particles, oral drugs that might contaminate the specimen. 2 sputum samples need to be collected, that is spot sample and morning sample.
The myths and facts about tuberculosis is: the myth is only those with weak immune system gets TB. But the fact is anyone can get TB, but certain factors increase risk. Another myth about tuberculosis is highly contagious, but the fact is close contact is needed for transmission. The another myth is TB is always fatal, but the fact is TB can be cured with early detection and treatment.
So here are
Okay, let me check. So Yogesh, you have been tested positive for TB.
Sir, TB. But sir, I have heard that the patient with TB will not live long.
Yogesh, you don't have to worry. TB is now completely curable. Just follow these medications regularly and come for routine checkup. These are your medications. Kindly take it from the pharmacy and take them regularly, and don't forget to come for routine checkup.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
There are several drugs used to treat tuberculosis, and they're often categorized by their color codes for easy identification and administration. Here are some common anti-tuberculosis drugs and the color codes. Isoniazid, white. Rifampicin, red. Pyrazinamide, orange. Ethambutol, blue.
Sir, here are my daily routine checkup reports.
Yogesh, I'm very happy to inform you that you have been tested negative for TB. But you should follow up for at least 2 years. And if you have came in contact with any children within 6 years of age and old age people, please subject them for TB screening.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Tuberculosis is one of the significant global health concerns caused by a bacteria, and it most commonly affects lungs. It spreads through air when an infected person sneezes or coughs, putting other people at risk. It is completely curable and preventable disease, and its treatment is completely free under National Tuberculosis Elimination Program through government.